Alright guys, here's a special treat for you. As per the field manager's request, me and House Gamers teamed up and did a bit of a drive-by shooting to a game that's currently in progress. Here's what happens.
You're most likely gonna get raped.
We are gonna get lit up, bro. So depending on the side, you're gonna have to tuck over this way, and then I'll come behind you, okay? Yeah. All right, here we go. Airsoft Amigos and House Gamers drive-by. No, you're gonna go down to the beginning and set it up, right? Can we shoot? Can we shoot? We're getting lit up! There's points! There's points! There's points! How we doing? How we doing? We're going around again, right? All right. Oh!
So much. It hurts so much.
Oh! Oh!
Let's go. Do the other team. We like destroyed that team. Go to the.
Yeah, we gotta go to the far end.
Gotta go to the city side.
I shot Ploy. I feel bad. Sorry, boy. He's sitting there looking at us. I'm like, hi, buddy. Okay. Just crank Elliot in the back of the head. We gotta get the guy.
Johnny, get Johnny.
Get back! It hurts so bad! It hurts so bad!
Alright, let's take another look at that.
I don't like this anymore! Oh my goodness!
Elliot, let's wreck him. I'm ready for this.
Oh, I can't hold my gun up. Oh, look at my. Oh.
No!
I don't even. Ah! Been shot so many times! Get down! Get down!
So good!
I'm still getting shot!
It's so good!
I don't know if it's a good pain or what. Oh, okay. I got shot enough for the day. I'm done. I'm done.
It hurts so much.
They're still shooting me. Oh, nice work, buddy.
Did you see me at the end?
All right, time to.
Yeah, the Scorpion Evo.
That's right. Pretty good.